Okay, we're back. This time, instead of one ramp, we're using two ramps. This ramp is fake, so if it stays perfect, just remember it's fake, see? And then the real ramp is right there. And we're getting all the monster trucks back. Give us a moment. Here, Parker. Parker, take the monster truck.
I can see your feet, Carson.
Okay. Come on. Like this. You ready, Parker? So,
I'm another monster truck.
you got it? No. Okay. You know, fine. Let's see. Okay, guys. First we have is
Small baby.
racing. Racing. This is what he looks like. Okay. He's about to jump. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, 1. He's fine, guys.
Where is he?
Yeah, he's fine, guys. Right, Parker? Okay, next we have Soldier of Fortune. This is what he looks like. Boom. This guy is from months.
Wait. Can you guys help my car, please?
I'm sorry, but we're doing the show.
But look at this. I don't even have an engine.
Here, let me fling you up here. This guy can help you. Okay, guys, I actually sent him to the crusher. Okay, next we have Soldier of Fortune. This is what he looks like. This guy is from Monster Jam. He has some great landing skills. Excuse me, you gotta go. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Park. Stop. Okay. Dang, this thing heavy. This thing heavy. Okay, next we have Forger. It's Soldier Fortune. He's a Monster Jam truck, and I hope we complete this one. And he is a great lander. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he's okay, guys. He's okay.
It's not really they're hitting this route.
Huh?
They're not really hitting this route.
Okay, then we can move it out.
Okay,
Okay, next we have El Turloco. This is him. And if you can speak Spanish, you don't need to know this. Or you know Spanish, you don't need to know this. But El Turloco means the crazy bull. So he's a bull, and in real life, these two holes right here, it blows up smoke. He is a great lander. He's my actually favorite monster truck in Monster Jam. And he has these cool horns, and you could use some
You know
wheelies.
what Monster Jam is?
Anyway, guys, Monster Jam is like this big show where these monster trucks do all kinds of tricks. They use all these other cars like dune buggies. They do races and jumps and tricks and all that. It's really cool. So check it out, okay? Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Woo!
Not a good lander.
I take that back. That he's a good lander. Next we have is Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt.
This is him. So he's basically, the monster truck is basically a dog, as you see. He's a monster because his super big teeth. He has a collar that has spikes all around it. And in real life, his ears flap and his collar really does have real spikes around it. And it's actually very cool in the tag. And in real life, the tail actually wags. So make sure to check this monster truck out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. He's good, guys. We have had no monster trucks landing yet. Next we have is Instigator. He is a monster truck with a bunch of skulls around him, and he has fire. I don't know where he's from. Oh yeah, he's from Monster Jam 2. I've never seen him run I've seen him on videos, but I've never seen him in person. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you go to this Monster Jam place, make sure to bring some earplugs. It's very loud. Trust me. Okay, here we go.
If you hear some loud sounds, that's me.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, he's fine, guys. You just popped a quick wheelie. Next we have this Chassis Snapper. This is him. He's a yellow monster truck. He has some cool wheels. He is from a game that's called Monster Trucks. So you just race with monster trucks around a whole bunch of places. And Parker,
What?
get out. And he is a great lander. Yeah, and trust me, this game is very cool. Check it out. I use it, pretty fun. Yeah, and the monster trucks are pretty easy to control, and it's cool to turn. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he landed it! It's a land! It's a land, people! Once we're done, I will show you aftermath. And after I am done, that's what aftermath means. Next we have is the classic monster truck. He really doesn't have a name, so I call him the classic monster truck. Because this is him. It's basically a classic monster truck. He's great at landing. He bounces a lot. He's not from a game. He's just a little toy. That's something I made. He's very nice. He's really bouncy. I don't know if I told you that yet. And goes pretty fast. Okay, let's do this.
Stop talking about him.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a big crash.
Sorry, people, but we need to stop the video because
Okay. Last we have. Hold on, guys. Our dog really wants to come in. If you want to say hi to her, you can. This is my mom. She's walking in. This is my dog right here. She just wants to look out the window. This is my mom. This is my dog. My real dog. And last we had this guy. Does not really have a name. I just call him Big Boy. I'm Big Boy Shark. And this is where I come from. So he has basically shark fins. That was my dog. And he has really big wheels. He's actually the biggest monster truck out of all. If you want to compare, here you go. A regular monster, a regular size, and a big size. These are the sizes. And
this
so,
is Parker and Carson's house.
And here we go. We are doing this. You ready? Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
It's a land. So we have two lands. I'm going to show you guys aftermath right now. This is aftermath. Land. This car right here landed it. He's an awesome. He crashed. This guy landed it. And this car crashed, and crashed. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. Bye.